Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word vehement. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She was vehement in her opposition to the new policy. Vehement means showing strong feeling or intense passion in a forceful or energetic manner, often expressed through strong and emphatic language. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.